It's official! Mateo Guidicelli is now part of the Kapatid family. Isang icon na tumatak sa larangan ng sports, entertainment at public service. Ngayon, sasabak naman sa public affairs si Mateo Guidicelli sa kanyang partnership with MediaQuest Ventures.
You see Ma'am Shena and Ma'am Jane, of course, they were discussing this about me and it's very exciting. No? Yung mga concepts ng mga shows nila, documentary shows, telling the stories of the Filipino, from food, soldiers, tradition, culture. So it's very exciting.
Personal na mission daw ni Mateo na ikwento ang mga untold stories ng mga Pinoy na kanyang nadiskubre nang magsilbi siya sa Army 6 na taon nang nakalipas.
All these military trainings was incredible for me because not just did I learn about myself, but also sa mga sundalo natin. Ano mga pinagdaanan nila, bakit ginagawa nila yung ginagawa nila. Yung selfless service nila para sa bansa.
Present sina Mr. Vic Del Rosario, Mr. Vincent Del Rosario at Miss Valerie Del Rosario ng Viva. Pati syempre mga opisyal ng MQuest Holdings.
It's a good addition, definitely to the roster of talents of MediaQuest and TV5. Basically, I think they're looking to bring Mateo to public affairs.
We've been churning out more programs, whether that's entertainment, sports, news, or public affairs programs. And we see Mateo's brand as quite good fit to the brand that we're building for public affairs. We think he's a perfect complement to the talent pool that we're building. And at the end of the day, he's just a great personality.
Una nang bumida si Mateo sa MediaQuest film na Penduko. This
one is for next year. We're going to be coming out with documentaries. Sobrang exciting.
Pero bago pa man daw magtapos ang 2025, may patikim na.
So the two shows that we're planning right now are really geared towards public affairs. So there's one documentary that we're finalizing with him. For the documentary, we hope to release it this year actually.
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Jasper Arispo, hatid ang muka ng balita.